right, you're thinking about buying a home, but you probably don't have a social security number and you're trying to think, how can I buy a home? Is this even possible for me? Guess what? There it is. I'm here with Fernando Lopez. Fernando, what kind of programs are available for people who don't have a social security number but want to purchase?
Okay, now we got programs for people without social security, with a tax ID number, or called ITIN. Okay, those people are people that get the number from the IRS, and they work with that number, they file taxes, they pay taxes with that number. Now, before we didn't have these programs, but now the lenders, are willing to lend to these people because it's a huge market, that we didn't know before. It was a hidden market. Now we realize how many people are working without social security, but they are paying taxes. People can buy 1 to 4 family, they can buy a condominium, correct? Minimum down payment is 20% down payment. Of course, as I told you before, in primary residence there is no pre-penalty, meaning that if these people now, they're gonna pay a little higher rate than the normal rate. But being a pre-penalty, let's say that, okay, I legalize my status within a year, and I got my social security, I already got my income in place, they can refinance without any pre-penalty paid to the lender. Also, at least you need to get 2 trade lines for 24 months. Or
what
3
are trade lines?
Yeah, trade lines holders, they need to get open credit. I mean, the requirement is that you need to get FICO score. Credit lines are like 3 credit cards for 12 months or 2 credit cards for 2 months. If you are missing, or let's say you are missing 1 trade line, you can use alternative trade lines like a utility bill from your home, correct? Connected sun, cable, internet, your car insurance. Those can be used to supplement the income that you are missing. Also, you need to realize that in these type of programs, you can buy using full income documentation, because there are people that pay taxes and they make the money. You have no idea how many of those people are.
Quite a few.
Yeah, and also people that are self-employed, that they got business. Let's say painters, electricians, they got their own business. We can use a profit and loss statement prepared by the tax preparer, with a letter from the tax preparer mentioning that he's 100% owner of the business and the business is still working, established, and or also we can use people, they can use bank statement programs. Let's say people got business and we got 12 months bank statement showing the income. Usually, let's say they can use personal bank statements and they can use business bank statement. The norm is like we can use 40 to 50% of the money deposit as an income. If you make, let's say, deposits for $300,000, we can do between $100,000 to $150,000 income. That's your purchase income to buy.
Oh, that's great to know.
Yeah.
All right, my next question, because I'm reading this basically off of the questions that you guys are asking us. So one of the questions somebody asked is pretty much, what are the challenges an applicant might face when applying for the ITIN loan, and how can they overcome those obstacles?
I mean, listen, it's just be prepared, because trust me, it's much more simple than you think, because it's more complicated doing this as a full income, because lenders require more of this. Now, since you pay like a little higher rate, things are much more flexible with the lenders. Of course, the lender knows that you won't keep this loan for a long time. In the future, you're gonna refinance. That's why, being creative, like with the credit, using alternative trade lines, or being creative how we can show the income with W-2s, pay stubs, or bank statements, or the profit and loss, make much easier, you to qualify. There are different ways that you can buy a house.
I'm glad that last sentence is what I want people to understand. There's different ways to buy a house. There's a lot of options. You have to find the right attorney, not just the attorney, home inspector, but you have to find the right loan officer, the right agent. You have to hire the right people in order to, show you the possibilities. And when you see all the possibilities, then you make the best, pick basically for what's going to fit for you and your family's needs. So with that being said, Fernando, how can they reach you if they have questions about this or anything
guys,
else?
any question you have on this program, you can call me on my cell, 917-418-9402. En español es 917-418-9402. Guys, you can call me anytime. I always pick up the phone and return text. Trust me. Any questions, call me. Whatever I can do to give you the right information, to put you on the right track to buy a house, I will do it.
This man loves helping people so much that basically his love of soccer will be put on hold, and he'll pick up the phone during a soccer game, and he'll pick up the phone and call and talk to you. That's how much he loves helping people get into homes. My contact information is 917-975-5985. You can also reach me on my office number, which is 718-475-2760. Website is mynyhomesale. You have something else you wanted to say?
No, seriously, call me if you have questions. Trust me, don't feel fear, because there are plenty programs that they can help you out to get your house now. Don't delete ideas that you think you won't be able to buy a house. You have the options. Call me.
There's lots of options. Find the right people that are going to help you get to where you want to get to. So that's pretty much all I got to say. So, ciao.
Take care, guys. Bye.